Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get hosting and a domain name for your website. Go to bluehost.com and choose the shared hosting option. There you'll be able to see the different prices and plans. You can choose 12 months or 36 months. I chose 12 months and the basic plan for this site. It includes hosting for one website and a domain name. If you plan on having more than one website, I suggest using the Plus plan. Once you choose your plan, you can enter the domain name you want, or you can skip this step for later. Be sure to spell the domain correctly, because you will not be able to change this after you purchase, trust me. If the domain is available, you'll be directed to the payment page. Double check that the information is correct, and you can select or deselect any of the package extras. I always pay the extra 99 cents for the domain privacy and protection. You can read about what each of these extras will give you by clicking the More Information button. Next, you will create your Bluehost account. It will have you verify your email in this step. And once you're signed up, you can log in to Bluehost and fill out the on-screen prompts. You can go through all these prompts and keep hitting continue until it says finish. I'm not really going to go through it all here because it's boring to watch. But then you can log into WordPress and you'll see your WordPress dashboard. From this dashboard, you can use the sidebar to customize your website and create pages and posts, which I won't be going over in this video. So anyways, I hope this video helped you see what to expect when buying hosting through Bluehost. It's super easy. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer them. Remember you can use my affiliate link in the description to get discounted hosting and a free domain name. Thanks for watching. Bye.